हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू गैजेट्स एंड बॉक्सर्स। और आज मैंने लेके आया हूँ दिस अगारो रीगल हैंडल वैक्यूम क्लीनर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू द अनबॉक्सिंग फॉर दिस. It has the maximum output of 800 watt and on the box you will get this scanner with for the registration of the warranty, and then there is a scanner for the demo. I actually bought it from the Amazon, which comes around 1600 bucks, and now it is getting delivered by Amazon now also, so I get this product in just 10 minutes. And mind you, in just gadgets and boxes we just buy products which you are going to use it at home. So let's start the unboxing quickly. This comes with this extended cord which is like a 2 feet long for the extended arm, and now we are coming with the main pieces, which is this one. Along with this you will get some extensions like this, which to kill the sofas and the brushes and the user manual. I'm just keeping this aside and just focusing on to the main part. This is more or less like a car vacuum cleaner. It looks like a car vacuum cleaner, but I just bought it like this, and instead of buying a cordless vacuum cleaner which is run by the battery, I prefer the wire one, because you need to charge the cordless vacuum cleaner in every 15-20 minutes of the use. So it is better to use the cord wire vacuum cleaner. This has the length of more than say 2 meters, which is quite optimum. I basically bought this which I needed for the handy cleaning services at the corners, maybe and the between the sofas and in the kitchen areas. And so yes, so in gadgets and boxes we only buy those products which we are going to use it at home. So please support us, please like, comment if you have any queries, and please subscribe our channel so that we can bring more videos to you. I will make the another video after a 1 month of use, and let's see how it goes on. Thank you for watching gadgets and boxes, and thank you for your support.